and welcome to historic Memorial Stadium at the 135th season of Fighting Illini football as the Fighting Illini host the Spartans of Michigan State University. 2024 marks season 156 of the Marching Illini and the 100th anniversary of historic Memorial Stadium. Featuring on the pride of the Illini with the director of the Marching Illini, Mary Hauser, assistant director of athletic bands, Dr. Hannah Rudy, director of bands, Dr. Kevin Garovi, assistant director of bands, Dr. Jim Bowman, drumline instructor Aaron Kevelman, guard instructor Caitlin Pugh, and field staff Reed Lastly. Introducing our award-winning featured twirler, a sophomore chemistry major from Harrisburg, Ohio, Ellie Garst. Your 2024 drum majors from Naperville, Illinois, a senior music education major, Matthew Felbine. From Aurora, Illinois, a senior community health and trombone major, Purna Kumar. And a senior economics and philosophy major from Naperville, Illinois, Alex Hall. Our Marching Illini graduate assistants are Jacob Archie, Sheridan Mackey, Andrew McGowan, Alex Mondragon, Rebecca Mulligan, Jackson Parker, and Jaquan Wiley. The voice of the Marching Illini is Andy Isbell. Fighting Illini fans, friends, and students, we proudly present the nation's premier college marching band, the University of Illinois Marching Illini. salute America and those who served this great country to preserve our freedom and for whom Memorial Stadium was named. To honor the Fighting Illini who have served in the armed forces, Fighting Illini football and Napleton's Auto Park